Fatimah, bint Muhammad, may Allah be pleased with her, the model of patience and strength. Fatimah, the daughter of the Prophet Muhammad, may Allah be pleased with him, is remembered for her patience, strength, and devotion to her family. As a mother and daughter, she exemplified the values of resilience and selflessness, especially in the face of adversity. Fatimah endured many trials, from the loss of her father to the hardships she faced during the early years of her marriage. Her unwavering faith, humility, and devotion to Allah and her family make her a symbol of strength for Muslim women. Fatimah, may Allah be pleased with her, was a model of the perfect balance between nurturing her family and maintaining a strong, independent connection with her faith.